Hello there, welcome to the channel. My name's Jono. This is the first video in a series whereby I'm going to look at some different films that you might like to purchase for photographic purposes, both 35mm and medium format. So the first one I'm going to look at is the 800T film by Cinestill. Quite a distinctive look, and I thought it'd be a nice one to start with. So let's take a look. So, Cinestill 800T. Cinestill was developed from movie film stock, and I think that's part of its charm. Although it's been adapted slightly for photographic purposes, the look is very cinematic. The sort of feel that the photographs that you get from this film very sort of have that sort of dramatic cinematic look to them, and that's down to a number of reasons, but let's just take a look at some examples. These aren't my photographs. I'll give credit obviously upon each one, but this film is quite a fast film. It's 800 ISO as the name suggests, and the T basically refers to the fact this film is balanced for tungsten light, in other words indoor light, especially neon and bright light sources, and especially light sources in the sort of red colour band. The film is particularly sensitive to and is very much balanced towards those, and this gives it a very distinctive look. Because it's nice and fast, ideally you use this film at night, either indoors or in other low light situations, and it makes it particularly useful for street photography and that sort of thing. And you'll see this film used a lot by street photographers. Without getting too technical, another feature of this film is halation. In other words, if you look at some of the examples that I'm showing on screen now, you'll see there's a halo around, particularly again red lights, but all bright light sources. And this is because there's a layer on the film emulsion that is normally used to block out excess light, if you like, has been removed, and it gives it this rather sort of eerie look. You'll see a lot of examples of nighttime shots of petrol station forecourts, etc., because it has that look, and sometimes it's a bit of a cliche, but don't let that stop you trying it out. So luckily this Christmas the restrictions were lifted in my hometown, and we were able to have a Victorian street fair that we usually have Christmas time, and so I took the opportunity to take out my Canon AE1 program, which I featured in a previous video, and basically wander around the streets taking some shots. So hopefully you'll enjoy this this montage of both the footage that I took and also the photographs that I took on the night. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that look around my hometown. Many thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the photographs. Really do appreciate all your support. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you again soon.